Aixun DT01 digital display thermometer. Here it comes. OLED smart digital display. Designed with temp sensor and thermocouple. To ensure multiple tests. Unboxing it. Inside here is a digital display thermometer. And a small box under it. In which there is a NAND battery. A Type-C USB cable. A thermocouple line. Which is used to test the actual temperature of hot air gun. And a pack of temp sensors. That are used to detect the actual temperature of soldering tips. This time, we are going to test T3A Smart Soldering Station and H310D Hot Air Gun. Install the non-fu battery into the digital display thermometer. A triangle temp sensor is needed when testing the temperature of soldering tip. Put the triangle temp sensor on the lower side of the digital display thermometer. Put the red end into the red side of the digital display thermometer. And the blue end into the black side. Pull down the rod in the middle of the digital display thermometer. Put in another end of the temp sensor. Before testing, add a little tin on the middle point of the temp sensor, which allows full access to the solder tip, so as to measure the temperature more accurately. Press the switch on the top of the digital display thermometer to power on. Touch the max key on the digital display thermometer. Switch to hold mode. The temperature will be locked. Touch the max key again to unlock. Long press the max key to switch languages. Touch the right key to switch temperature units between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Long press to turn on OFF the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth function will be released soon. First, testing the temperature of the soldering tip of T3A. The temperature displayed now is 300 degrees C. Then aiming the soldering tip at the middle of the triangle temp sensor. We can see that the actual temp of the soldering tip is 305 degrees C, which is 5 degrees Celsius higher than the temperature displayed on the soldering station. Enter the temperature calibration interface of T3A Smart Soldering Station. Set the actual temperature as the one displayed on the thermometer. Press the knob to confirm. Test again. The temperature displayed on the thermometer is 300 degrees C. Temperature calibration done. Calibration of H310D hot air gun. First, remove the triangle temp sensor on the digital display thermometer. Insert the thermocouple line in the socket on the right of the thermometer. The triangle temp sensor and the thermocouple line cannot be used simultaneously. Put the end of the line in the head of the hot air gun. Enable the temp calibration function in H310D hot air gun. Then connect the thermometer to the hot air gun with the equipped Type-C cable. The temperature will be calibrated automatically. The temperature in red refers to the displayed temperature of the hot air gun, and the green one refers to its actual temperature. The current calibrated temperature is 100 degrees C. Erasing is 200 degrees C. Temperature calibration is done. The digital display thermometer supports infinite remote upgrade. Connect it to computer with a Type-C cable. Open Aixun official website. Download Aixun software. After installation, open Aixun software, register an account and login. Click on the top bar to switch to English. Here we can see the current version of the thermometer is V1.02. The latest version is V1.05. When there is new version released, click Upgrade. It will be upgraded to the latest version. Above is the full operation video of DT01 digital display thermometer. Press the button on the top of the thermometer to turn off.